Are you tired of hand washing your dishes? Meet the COMFEE Portable Dishwasher. It combines efficiency and convenience in one compact unit. This machine features Amazon's Choice status. 200+ customers bought it just last month. Who wouldn't want an effective dishwasher at a limited time deal of $249.99, down from $299.99? That's a fantastic 17% saving. What makes this dishwasher stand out? It offers 6 program options. You can choose from normal, rapid, hygiene, fruit, glass, and air refresh modes. Each option uses powerful 360-degree spray arms. Say goodbye to stubborn dirt. The High-Temp Hygiene cycle heats water up to 162. It safely cleans even your child's dinnerware. Concerned about moisture? The air refresh mode circulates air to keep everything dry and fresh. You can disable it if you prefer. Installation? No worries there. You just fill the 5L built-in water tank, or you can connect it to your kitchen faucet. Ensure a 19.6 gap between the counter and upper cabinet for a perfect fit. Despite its compact size, it washes over 30 items at once. Perfect for small kitchens, apartments, or RVs. Enjoy the convenience of dishwashing without the hassle of installation. Check out what customers say. Many love how well it cleans and appreciate the quiet operation. However, some have mixed feelings about its long-term functionality. Remember, this deal won't last forever. Fast delivery is available across all 50 states, including California and Texas. Want to make your life easier? Purchase the COMFEE Portable Dishwasher today. For more details, check the product link in the description below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Your support encourages us to bring you the best reviews and deals every week. Thank you for watching.